better.
Okay.
Yep. Got the book.
Yep. Welcome to
Italy. The Trullies. A photo, make a wish.
Well, we're in some caves, or some cave dwellings. You can see all the way over there. And this side is closed to visitors. But I climbed over the gate. Good morning. This
morning.
is our, we had a free night in
Potenza.
Yes, so we've driven halfway across the bottom of Italy, is it?
Yeah.
Potenza, it's pretty central. There's a great big gathering down here. There's a load of school kids age, teenagers let's say, gathering. Police have gathered. We can see a placard, so I don't know what's going on.
We found out later that this student protest was about justice for 16-year-old Elissa Claps, a student who disappeared in 1993 and whose body was not found until 2010. Italian serial killer Danilo Restivo was found guilty of her murder when similarities between her murder and one of Heather Barnett from Bournemouth, UK were established. He's now serving a 40-year life sentence for both murders.
Good morning from somewhere between Potenza and somewhere else. We have broken down. We're waiting for recovery. The clutch pedal has gone straight to the ground and it doesn't come up unless you pull it up, and then when you pull it up, as soon as you touch it, it disappears to the ground again. At least we've got our home with us. We can have a cup of tea and some breakfast.
So the clutch is completely gone and we're going to get hauled on. Stop! There she goes. Around. Forward.
Our insurance company put us up in a B&B just down the road from a lovely pizzeria in the beautiful city of Muro Locarno. Hello. We've come to downtown Rome to have a look at the Trevi Fountain. Go and walk down. I think it's down that way. Hold that a minute, please. Can you help me put my bag on? Well, this is the Pantheon. I think you can go inside it. But not sure that we are.
Maybe I'll have to go further.
We did find the Irish pub for lunch.
It's a busy square. We've got Saxon guitar here. We've got a Pink Floyd tribute down there. We've got a guy dancing down there.
The shadow on the train door is from a man who got onto the train and then promptly bumped into me as he got off the train, and the train pulled away. I thought, how odd. And then I realised I'd been pickpocketed and had my phone stolen. The next day we went back into Rome and had a lunch at the Hard Rock Cafe. No change there. before heading off to
The Vatican City, which has its own flag.
somewhere. There's a chimney that lets out a puff of white smoke on occasion. It's pretty impressive, I have to say. What's that, the basilica?
Yeah,
With the dome?
yeah.
Right. That's where Michelangelo did some painting?
No, that was the Sistine Chapel. That's closed today.
Right. So you just got an ordinary painter and decorator in for that
Yeah,
one?
I think so.
Okay, we've just come out of St Peter's Basilica. We went in when it was light and we've come out and it's now night time. We've even got the Nutter of the Vatican in here. I don't know what he's celebrating.
Is that it?
Yep.